Falls View Avenue, where the white water roars, Walter and Joshua are sweeping up the floors. The Black River blades are spinning true and bright, turning old spruce timber under St. John light. Winslow tells the story of the sawdust and the sweat, piece of history we ain't quite finished yet. Oh, the reversing falls are turning in the bay. We shape the northern pine at the end of the day, with hands made of iron and hearts of solid oak, building up a legacy in every breath of smoke. Black River Woodworking, standing through the strain, singing with the timber in the Maritime rain. Walter guides the planer, Joshua checks the grain. Born of New Brunswick, familiar with the pain. A YouTube memory, captured frame by frame. For the masters of the craft, we call them by their name. The rapids foam outside, but the shop is dry and warm, sheltered by the rafters from the coming winter storm. Where the rapids roll, Black River keeps on rolling till the work is done.